Here I have ALLVIEW X2 Xtreme, and let me show you how to accomplish the hard reset operation that device and how to remove pattern, password or other screen lock method. So at the very beginning, let's start by pressing the power key. Let's choose power off and wait until your device will be completely switched off. Afterwards, you need to use the following combination of keys: power key and volume down. Let's hold down together these two keys for a few seconds, power key and volume down. Keep holding them. Release all keys as soon as ALLVIEW logo pops up and wait for the factory mode. Excellent, this is the factory mode of the ALLVIEW. Let's scroll down to highlight clear eMMC and press power key to confirm it. Right now the device is formatting all personal data, customized settings and installed apps. The phone is also erasing the screen lock, the passwords and other personal data. So let's just wait until the whole operation will be completed. Do not interrupt while the process is running. Excellent, as you can see the welcome panel just pops up, so it means that the hard reset operation is done. You may also observe that there is no pattern or a password, so you can start easily activate your device. Thank you for watching, please subscribe our channel and leave a thumbs up under the video.